back to my channel. My name is Ruthie Songbird. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family, join the gang. And if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. Today I will just be filming for you guys a really quick how I get these super cute, super bouncy curls. This is a Flexi rod tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you would like to see how I achieve this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bouncy set of curls, then stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, and keep watching. Okay, so typically it's best if you have a whole lot more flexi rods. I lost a few in transition, of course, because I was moving and I lost a few. So I'm going to start off on one side and then work my way onto the other side. So we're gonna split our hair. You want a pigtail, basically, pigtail process. Get you a scrunchie, sis. Okay, you wanna get you a scrunchie? Basically our method here is separating the two separating one from the other, from each other. Okay, all right, so the key here, the tip here for your curls to come out the way that you would like them to come out, you want them to come out correctly, is you are going to roll it into the direction of which you want the curl to go into. So I'm going to want my curls to go away from my face, so therefore I'm gonna curl away from my face or roll away from my face. So let me demonstrate real fast, quick, in a hurry. And obviously you're gonna section it off how you would like. Of course, if I had more flexi rods, I would do smaller sections, but I don't have a lot to work with, so I'm going to do a lot of more thicker sections. All right, sis, you want to start off at the bottom?
Okay. Oh, hold on, sis. Okay. You want to start off at the bottom and roll it in real nice. Okay, 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 okay. And you see what I'm doing here? I am rolling it away from my face because I want my curls to be away from my face. I want them to go in this direction. You are just basically going to repeat it in your next section of hair.
Ladies, so this is our finished look. I know I look a little crazy. This is how your flexi rod set will look once you have got all your rods in. It's not the cutest, it's not the neatest, but this is what you will have at the end. enjoyed this tutorial. And as you guys can see, this is how I achieve my no heat, very nice, very, ooh, look at those curls, you guys. Very big, very bouncy, very full. As you guys can see, I didn't use any products. I just had my hair co-washed. I blew it out with my hair dryer. Apply your flexi rods. Okay, you're gonna tie your edges down overnight. Apply on top your satin sleep cap in the morning. It is now the next morning. I've already done my face. I am actually brushing off. I have to get to church. I am singing this morning. So this is the final look. Stay tuned for more content, and as always, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for all your support. I love you guys as always. And most importantly, on this beautiful Sunday morning, always remember that God loves you so much. And he truly wants what's best for your life. As always, y'all be blessed, be beautiful, be bold, be brave, be good. I'll catch up with y'all in my next video. Bye.
Every time I really wanna get loving every minute. King, a queen, I pop the question now. My competition, the vision.